Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be another hair video. So today's video is a curly ponytail, affordable curly ponytail with no heat on your hair. So I'm just showing you everything you need: some brushes, some eco styler gel, some edge control, ponytail holders, and this is the hair that I used from the hair store. Each pack was $11.99, but you can find some cheaper or more expensive, whatever floats your boat. For me, we're in quarantine, so I'm not pressed. First things first, I did deep condition my hair last night, so that is why I had it in 4 different braids and I let the conditioner sit overnight. The back 2 braids I took a loose, and I'm just going to smooth everything out. This first half is pretty self-explanatory. Just use your gel, use your dimming brush or whatever brush you have, and flatten and smooth your ponytail on out, girl. Now, as you all can see, I like to work in sections when it comes to the front part of my hair, where you're going to have your hair smoothed down, just because it's a lot easier if you work in sections, especially with natural hair. But I'm not even going to hold y'all. It was so hard. Like, I haven't done a smooth, slick down ponytail or bun in a very long time, because I've been giving my hair a chance to breathe, and y'all, my hair was not cooperating. It was not cooperating at all. So it did take me a while to get my hair smoothed down, but you know, just make it do what it do with what you have. Now next, I am going to, once I have everything in a ponytail, I'm going to just brush it out, smooth it out, and make that one ponytail, one braid. And at the end of the ponytail, I'm going to use a ponytail holder, and I'm just going to wrap it around, you will see, and make it, you know, like a little bun in the back of my hair, because that is what I'm going to be attaching the hair to. Boom. So this is the hair. I have 2 packs. I have 1 pack of 18-inch and 1 pack of 16-inch. Both are in the color 1B. I was just showing you what they look like up close, and this is them again. I'm going to be using 1 bundle of the 16-inch and 2 bundles of the 18-inch. So there was 1 bundle of 16 that I did not use. So I'm going to wrap my hair around, as I told you all before, and make the little bun. And I'm going to take the wefts folded in half. So once you take them out the pack, they're already split in half, so you don't have to do anything at all after you take them apart. So it's already split into, you know, like, it's folded in half basically. If you buy this kind of hair, you'll know what I'm talking about. So I'm going to take one end of the weft and a tight bobby pin and pin one end into my bun. Just make sure that it is secure so it's not going anywhere, and then you're going to wrap it around your bun around the back of your hair, just so that the bun is covered. And I'm not really worried about anyone seeing the bun, just because it's so small, for one, and then 2, curly hair, if it's like this kind, or if it's like a thicker kind of curly hair, you're definitely not gonna see a bun at all. So I'm just gonna keep doing this and wrapping it around my hair, and you will see that with the last weft, instead of pinning that last part, I'm gonna take a piece of the end, a piece of the last part of the weft, and use that to wrap around the ponytail so that the wefts are covered. Alright, so here is where I slowed it down. This is where I took a piece of the end of the weft and I'm going to wrap it around so that all my wefts are covered and you cannot see the track of the hair. Now once I wrap all of that around, then I will take a bobby pin and pin that end of the hair. And once you have that all sorted out, just get your edge control or your Eco Style or whatever your product of choice is and do your edges, smooth everything out to your liking, and you are good to go. This is such a cute style if you are on a budget, if you are in quarantine and you just feel like doing something to your hair but you do not want to go to the hairdresser. Here you go. It's something for you to do. Get you a $10 pack of hair and you'll be good. Thanks y'all for watching, and you can check out more videos right here. Thank you. Bye.